Hey guys, this is how to fix My Mitsubishi Connect app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first is just simply go to the Google Play Store and go to the search at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and search for the app. And now from here, just simply tap on the application, and when there is an update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. And tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update as well. Now, for the second solution, just simply go to the settings into your device and scroll down and just simply go to the apps. And after that, just simply scroll down and try to find the application over here, which is Mitsubishi. Just simply tap on it. And after that, just simply go to the storage and tap on a clear cache. And from there, guys, you should be able to fix it. But if you still encounter issue, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, for the third solution, is try reinstalling the application. So first hold the app and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK and just simply go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again into your device. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, guys, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya!